Chapter 4. Normal operating procedures. Entering cockpit. To enter the cabin, first lift the door all the way to the bottom wing surface. The silver knob will grab and secure the glass door in position. Sit onto the cabin's edge and support body by placing both hands onto the cabin edge. Drag oneself into the seat, lifting only one leg over the stick for best position. Immediately after having sat into the seat, check rudder pedals position to suit size and needs by pulling the round black knob ahead of the stick on the floor. Position of pedals may also be adjusted during flight. To lower door, do not attempt to grab and pull door handle, but gently pull the silver knob instead. To close door securely, rotate the handle so that it locks and verify that all three closing points are secured. Fasten seat belts according to size, with the help of ground crew. Put on the headsets and adjust mic position. A. Select master switch on. B. Avionics switch on. C. Check all instruments and EMS display on. D. Select intercom switch on, RT set on, check reading STR5. E. Obtain permission from ATC for startup. F. Remove safety pin from parachute emergency release handle. Questions. Question number 1. What is the first step to enter the cabin? A. Sit onto the cabin's edge. B. Lift the door all the way to the bottom wing surface. C. Drag oneself into the seat. D. Check rudder pedals position. Question number 2. What secures the glass door in position? A. The door handle. B. The silver knob. C. The round black knob. D. The rudder pedals. Question number 3. How should one support their body when entering the cabin? A. By placing both hands on the stick. B. By placing both hands on the cabin edge. C. By placing one hand on the cabin edge and one on the stick. D. By placing both hands on the door handle. Question number 4. What should be done immediately after sitting in the seat? A. Lower the door. B. Fasten seat belts. C. Check rudder pedals position. D. Rotate the handle to lock the door. Question number 5. How can the position of the rudder pedals be adjusted? A. By pulling the silver knob. B. By pulling the round black knob ahead of the stick on the floor. C. By rotating the handle. D. By lifting the door. Question number 6. What should not be done to lower the door? A. Grab and pull the door handle. B. Gently pull the silver knob. C. Rotate the handle. D. Verify that all three closing points are secured. Question number 7. How should the door be closed securely? A. By pulling the round black knob. B. By lifting the door. C. By rotating the handle so that it locks. D. By dragging oneself into the seat. Question number 8. What should be verified after closing the door? A. The position of the rudder pedals. B. That all three closing points are secured. C. The position of the silver knob. D. The position of the round black knob. Question number 9. Who should help fasten the seat belts? A. The pilot. B. The co-pilot. C. The ground crew. D. The passenger. Question number 10. What should be done first after putting on the headsets and adjusting the mic position? A. Select avionics switch on. B. Check all instruments and EMS display on. C. Select master switch on. D. Obtain permission from ATC for startup. Question number 11. What should be done after selecting the master switch on? A. Select avionics switch on. B. Check all instruments and EMS display on. C. Select intercom switch on. D. Remove safety pin from parachute emergency release handle. Question number 12. What should be checked after selecting the avionics switch on? A. All instruments and EMS display on. B. Intercom switch on. C. RT set on. D. Obtain permission from ATC for startup. Question number 13. What should be done after checking all instruments and EMS display on? A. Select master switch on. B. Select intercom switch on. C. Remove safety pin from parachute emergency release handle. D. Obtain permission from ATC for startup. Question number 14. What should be done after selecting the intercom switch on? A. Check reading STR5. B. Select master switch on. C. Obtain permission from ATC for startup. D. Remove safety pin from parachute emergency release handle. Question number 15. What should be done after selecting the RT set on? A. Check reading STR5. B. Select master switch on. C. Obtain permission from ATC for startup. D. Remove safety pin from parachute emergency release handle. Question number 16. What should be done after obtaining permission from ATC for startup? A. Select master switch on. B. Select avionics switch on. C. Remove safety pin from parachute emergency release handle. D. Check all instruments and EMS display on. Question number 17. What should be done after removing the safety pin from the parachute emergency release handle? A. Select master switch on. B. Select avionics switch on. C. Check all instruments and EMS display on. D. Obtain permission from ATC for startup. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.